Hello, I am doing an unboxing today with the Sassy, Super Sassy Earring Club. This is for May 2021, and these adorable earrings I'm wearing are from May. So this one is Let There Be Brunch. How cute is this? This is easily my favorite one so far. How adorable. How adorable is this? So if you've never heard of this before, this is a monthly subscription and you get paper earrings every month, like the ones I'm wearing. They're lightweight, so you pop them out. And this has like so many cute things. It has a pair of cinnamon roll earrings, blenders, looks like a jello cake, oat milk and almond milk. How cute is that? Watermelons, those are perfect for summer. And then up here at the top, a pair of Mom and Happy Mother's Day. So cute. And then every time you get a new pair of hooks that you can swap out so you can wear the different earrings. I am absolutely loving this month's earring set. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this set. Every month they also feature a new artist. A different artist will create them. So much fun. Loving my paper earrings from May.